Hey everyone! Welcome back to Retail Force Barcode tutorial. In today's video, WR are going to learn how to generate SKUs in the Retail Force Barcode and Labels app, step by step, so you can organize your Shopify store like a pro. If you're dealing with multiple products or variants, this is going to save you a ton of time. So let's jump right in. First, head over to your Shopify admin panel. From the left-hand side, click on Barcode and SKU from the sidebar. Now you'll see a list of your products. Go ahead and select the products you want to generate SKU for. After selecting them, look at the bottom right and click on Generate SKU. This will open up the SKU generation panel, where all the customization happens. At the top, you'll see an option called Auto-Generate SKU for newly added products. If you enable this, the app will automatically create SKUs for any new products you add in the future, so you don't have to do it manually every time. Right below that, you can choose your SKU pattern. It's optional GUI, basic for a simple and quick setup. GUI, advanced for more control and customization. Text-based, if you prefer defining patterns manually, we'll stick with GUI basic to keep things easy. Right below that, make sure to enable Prevent SKU Duplicating. This ensures every SKU is unique and avoids inventory issues later on. Now let's move to the SKU pattern setup. Here's where you define how your SKUs will look. Start with custom text. This is usually your brand prefix. For example, you can enter something like BP. Next, set your autocode starting number. For example, enter 5,000 so your SKU begin from there. And don't forget to set a separator, like hyphen, to keep everything clean and readable. Then you can include product name and choose something like the first 3 characters. If needed, you can also include product type or product vendor for more detailed SKU. You can also include variant options, like size or color. Again, using the first 3 characters works really well. Next, scroll down to the autocode generating mechanism. Here you have 2 options. You can choose randomly, which creates unpredictable SKU, or sequentially, which generates SKU in order like 5,000, 5,001, 5,002. For most stores, I recommend going with sequential, since it keeps things neat and easy to track. Next is additional function. Enable auto uppercase text. Now, take a look at the preview section on the right-hand side. This shows you exactly how your SKU will look. Before generating, you'll also see 2 options. You can choose to only create missing SKU or replace all existing SKU for the selected products. Pick the one that fits your needs. Once everything is set up, don't forget to click the Save button at the top if you've made any changes. And finally, click on Generate SKU. Once you start generating SKU, a progress pop-up will appear on your screen. This gives you a clear indication that your SKUs have been generated without any issues. That's it. Your SKUs will be automatically created and applied to your products. It's a simple setup, but it makes a huge difference in keeping your inventory organized, reducing errors, and saving time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.